In this video, I will show you how to apply the parts of a linear function to the relationship between the number of absences in a class and then your grade earned. Now, based on this trend line that you see here, the first thing that we're asked to do is identify and interpret our slope. So I want to look at roughly where we start, and because I'm not exactly certain where that point is, I'm going to start by picking out points that I am confident are on the graph, like the point 1, 90, and then I see this point here, 3, 80. And then if I kind of follow that process, it does look like it goes in that same pattern. So I'm going to use a couple points on my line because my y-axis and my x-axis don't go by the same amount. So it would not be accurate to say down 1 over 2 because down 1 is actually more than just 1 unit. So I'm going to use the points 1, 90 and 3, 80 to talk about my slope. So 80 minus 90 over 3 minus 1. It went down 10 in 2 absences, meaning a 5. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5, or 5% decrease in the grade, because y is grade per x, or per absence from class. Now in the next question here, it says identify your y-intercept. Well, if I know the point 190 is on my graph, and I know that it's a 5% decrease, if I go backwards, meaning no absences at all, I would go up 5%. And if I'm at 90 for the grade here with 1 absence, and I have no absences, it will go up 0.5%. So 0.95 would be our y-intercept. So with 0 absences from class, you could expect a grade of 95%. Now I'm going to identify our x-intercept. Now this I don't really see on my picture, but I'm going to use my trend line to help me get there. So just kind of by making a table and then kind of following the process. So in 2 absences means this point is 5, and it will go down 10%, so 70. In 2 absences, 7, it will go down 10%, 60. In 2 absences, 9, it will be 50%. And then just continue the pattern. This is going to be 1140. And then this is going to be 1330. And if I keep going in the same pattern, 11 with 40. Again, this was our x and this was our y. 13, 30. And then here's our last point on the graph, 15 and 20. I can follow the pattern and get there. So going down by 10. So I just need to go down 2 more, so in 2 more points. These are going up by 2, so 17 and 19. So if I just kind of follow that pattern, that means in 19 absences from class, you could expect a very bad grade, meaning 0. That's a lot of absences from class.